The best qualities that I got out of this class is the teaching and the ability to do one-on-one and instructions and to actually physically show you how to do the welding.
The instructors actually want to see you pass and actually want to see you get your certification, and they push you to do better and better yourself in the welding field.
The instructors and equipment are top notch. You get to go at your own pace, and they don't hesitate to step in and help when you have problems with stuff or need questions answered and things of that nature. You don't go it alone.
This class has given me many skills that I will definitely use out in the field, and it's given me a lot of tips for out in the field, and it's something I'll always have and always use.